How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. As you can see, I got the brand new Gen 4 Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inch hex impact driver, part number 2953-20 here. It came in a kit I bought that included the M18 hammer drill. Part number of that kit was 3697-22. It included the dual voltage charger and two XC 5.0 batteries. Thought I'd put it to the test right away and see if it lives up to Milwaukee's claim of 2,000 inch-pounds of peak torque. Now if you do the math and divide 2,000 by 12, you get 166.7 foot-pounds. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to put this bolt in the vise, a couple washers and nut. I'm going to use my snap-on digital torque wrench and torque it to 2,000 inch-pounds and see if it'll undo the nut. Well, let's head over to the bench and find out. Well, this impact driver lives up to its rating of 2,000 inch-pounds, which is 166.7 foot-pounds. I'm going to up the ante. I'm going to raise it up to 2,400 inch-pounds, which works out to 200 foot-pounds. Now, if it does 166.7, let's see what it's got and see if it'll hit that 200-pound mark. So I got my 5/8 inch bolt in the vise, a couple washers. Now it's just going on dry. I'm not using any lubrication or anything. Spin it down by hand. I got the Milwaukee bit driver. It's in there securely, and a 15/16 socket. As you can see, I got my snap-on digital torque wrench set to 2,000 inch-pounds, and just to make sure my calibration was right, it converts over to 166.7 foot-pounds. So I'm going to torque it to that, and then we'll see if this impact driver has got the guts to undo it. Okay, 2,000 inch-pounds. Let's torque her down. First, we got to tighten up our vise a little bit here. Okay, we got our vise tightened down. So let's try this again. Actually torqued to 2,016 inch-pounds. Well, what's a little bit extra to see if this will do the trick. So, put the socket on. Make sure we turn it to the highest setting, which is number 3. Set it to reverse, and let's see. Did it, and did it quite easily. I'm impressed. So with it putting out that kind of torque, you know, this little impact driver will take the lug nuts off a full-size pickup truck. At least a half ton if they're torqued to, you know, about 150 foot-pounds. Well, instead of gradually going up from 166.7 and slowly, I'm going to torque it to 200 foot-pounds and see if this impact driver will take that nut off. Let's try it out. Got my foot on the bench here. So that 201.4 foot-pounds. I think this impact driver will take it off. One way to find out. Well, everybody, do you think it's got what it takes? Got it set to 3. And it's in reverse. Let's try it. Wow. Took some work, but it did 200 foot-pounds plus. Definitely a lot more than it's rated at. That's also one heck of a test for these Milwaukee adapters. Who would have thought something a 1/4 inch like that would stand up to 200 foot-pounds? Well, Milwaukee, I think you outdid yourselves on the Gen 4 M18 Fuel 1/4 inch impact driver. You know, you say it's rated for 2,000 inch-pounds, and it puts out at least 2,400 inch-pounds, which equals out to just over 200 foot-pounds. Well, everybody, what'd you think? I don't know about you, but I was definitely impressed. Just want to end this video by thanking someone who left a comment in one of my previous videos. Kevin Carter, thanks for the comment. I enjoy reading all my comments, and I try to get back to every single one of them. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments section. If you like that video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you get notified when I release new videos. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.